everyone, we are now here in Jerusalem and we're going to do a room tour. So from Tel Aviv to Jerusalem, I think it's just 1 hour or 2 hours. So we rented a taxi via Get. You can do that if you are in Tel Aviv or anywhere in Israel. And yeah, so we are finally here. I'm going to do a room tour of this cute apartment that we have near the center of Jerusalem, if I'm not mistaken. So this is that main door. Let me show you what's outside. I think this is kind of see. Okay. So this is what it looks like outside, and it's protected as well, or let's say secured, because there's a lot. Like it's via, like the codes, something like that. So they also have cameras here, and then yeah, same on the main door. It's also code. So yeah, I just like there's accommodation so far, and although it says that they don't have a kitchen, but I'm not sure if they also have that small cooking, like pot or something. By the way, this is the restroom. It's, I like, it's kind of small, but I like that it's like a high ceiling. And yeah, so there's the sink, the toilet. What is this? I'm not sure what is this. Maybe a ventilation or whatever. So there's the shower. And then here's they also have what they call it, like I'm not, oh, this is just like a washer, not a dryer. So they have a washer, and I think you can dry your clothes outside using this one. I'm not sure if that's made for that. And then yeah, so they have this washer here, they have oven, they have coffee makers, and then what do you call it, like when you can boil the water. And then there's another sink here. So I'm not sure if they have like the cooking pot sink. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what do we have here? So we have plates, and yeah, I think they don't have a cooking pot or something. What is this? Okay. So how can you open this? Oh my gosh, I don't know how to do that. So yeah, they have stuff like that there. Let's see, maybe it's here. What do you, oh, okay. So there's the trash. What is this one? Oh, you cannot open this? Okay. It's not this luggage. That's a cooking pot. I'm not sure if it's safe to use or not, but yeah, but I think I saw on their Airbnb, I saw something. So let's see, maybe if we open this correctly, we can see something in there. Okay, so I think there is no cooking pot, just microwave and bread. What's this one? Okay. And yeah, I think that's also a cool apartment. Maybe it's up there. And they have a small refrigerator here. There. Small refrigerator. And then this is the living room. They don't have a television. And that's fine, because sometimes we just watch Netflix on the computer or laptop. And it's also air conditioned. And look at this, like there's 2 balconies. Now it's kind of a challenge to open those type of it's not a curtain, like those Lavi, what do you call that?
What?
That thing that you're pushing up?
I don't know.
Like this one?
I don't know what it's called.
Yeah, so it's not a curtain. Like it's like this. You know, like the one that you see on the store if the store is closed. Yeah, so that's it. So you need to. It's kind of a challenge to put that up. So yeah, you need to do that.
Supposed to do it like this, though.
Yeah. So you need to do that to pull it up, and yeah, it's nice. And this. Oh, by the way, this is the bedroom, and it's so nice, right? So classy. So yeah, they have a huge, what do you call it? Like, I'm not sure if this is a cabinet or a closet, but yeah, I like it. Right? So nice. And then of course, my LOD mirror. And this is also close to the train. Like there's a train just out there. And yeah, so there's a cute working spot here. And then, what is this? Oh, I think the way you clean it is just that. It's nice, right? Yeah, this is cool. And then, yeah, so this is the first balcony. It's actually a 2-balcony condo or apartment. So this is just the balcony. First balcony, and then that's the view. And then that's the second balcony right there from the living area. So yeah, this is so nice. Like I love Jerusalem so far. And yeah, there's lots of buildings here. And this is, you know, your view every day, which is, you know, it's just nice, like city life and something like that. Right? Yeah, I think it's really a nice apartment. And of course, I'm going to put the link of this apartment or Airbnb below as well, so you could check it out if you wanted to go rent it when you visit Jerusalem. So yeah, this is that other balcony here. So nice, right? So cool. By the way, just an update. You don't actually need to use that to open this thing. There is actually a button, and we actually missed that. So yeah, you just need to push this and it's gonna go up, right? So yeah. So there's a button. Like you don't really need to use that thing that we've shown a while ago. So funny. Alright, so that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow all my social media below. Once again, this is Sass reminding you to stay golden.